Homemade marshmallow with just 2 ingredients. In a container, add 2 packets of unflavored gelatin, 2 packets of raspberry gelatin or any other flavor of your choice, 250 ml of hot water. Now mix well until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Add 500 grams of refined sugar and let's mix. With the help of an electric mixer, let's beat this gelatin until it's at the ideal point. This is perfect spot. Now you can turn off the mixer. Let's take all this marshmallow and put in a pan greased with butter and sugar. On top, I sifted refined sugar, but that's entirely up to you. Let's rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, just unmold. I'm going to put all this marshmallow on a branch to cut it into strips. Guys, make this recipe at your home. The children will love it. It's super fast and easy to do. The process is now simple. Just get the marshmallow strips, use the knife again to cut into cubes or the way you want. And our recipe is ready. I hope you have liked it. It was another little recipe here from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.